How to download music from YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome, search youtube.com, and then click on three dots on top right. You'll find desktop site at the bottom. Make sure there's tick mark and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. After you've logged in, you'll find your profile on top right corner of your screen. You can zoom in if you can't see. Click on YouTube Studio in here. After you click on YouTube Studio, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On left side, you will find music option, which is the last option. Click on it. In here, you will be able to see all the audios, music, sound effects. You can also search by clicking on search at the top. To listen to the music, you can simply click on triangle shape beside music name. After you're done, if you want to download, simply click on the right side. You will find download button. Click on download button at right side, and then you can simply open after it's downloaded. As you can see, it's downloaded, and this is how to download music from YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.